Hello. What I have here is a 1980 Galaxy Model 3713. This one has the first version of the D-blades with the open vent hub. It's 3-speed. This is not the original handle. I was one of the lucky people to actually purchase a couple handles from Rob before he stopped making them. The original handle I do have inside of the original package. Sold at Walgreens in New York. There it is. And there's the sad little broken handle in there. Normally these snap clean in two, but this one, the tabs are chewed up. So it looks like this one actually broke from genuine wear rather than just snapping in half because it's slightly cold outside, or just because. But yeah, this one's not all busted up. I wanted one of these in fairly good condition, and so I purchased this one. This has the, also you can see that the brace isn't exactly lined up perfectly with the guard. That's just how it was made. That's just how it was made. But you can see this has the plastic enclosed motor, the Marco motor, I believe. Grills are quite yellowed, but I've seen worse. When I was younger, I used to have one of these, but it was the one with the penthouse control, I guess you call it. With the thermostat and stuff on it. But that fan, the grills were busted up. It was rusty. The bearings actually broke out of that plastic motor housing. It was sad. It was a sad case. That fan unfortunately got parted out. So I wanted to get another one with this blade. I really wanted to get the one with the control on top, but I haven't seen one of those yet surface for a reasonable price. They're always way too expensive. Anyways, go on with the demonstration here. Plug it into my Variac. Here. Low speed. Forgot to mention the little spring clip that goes on the center of the shaft there is missing. That was missing when I got it. .1 on low. This is a shaded pole motor, medium. Start to hear the grills rattling. It's the back one. High speed. Amps. Might stuff some friction tape behind the guards to stop that rattling. Runs fairly decent. It's fairly powerful too. This is probably my favorite version of the D-Blade. Just the one with the open hub like this. But yeah. Oh yeah, here's the... If you want to know what year your Lasko fan is, if it's I think they started doing this in the 70s, but they emboss. Come on, focus. Come on, do it, do it, do it, do it. Focus. You can't focus on the color. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. There you go. 1979 to 80. So this is a 1980. 3713. 2.2 amps. 60 hertz. 154C. That's what they put on every single model that they had back then, pretty much. I put some dollar store felt feet on there. There's another stamp right there. Probably a serial. 80, probably. That's probably the year. But yeah. So yep. There's some slots there for some feet that I don't have. It's pretty dirty. It wasn't too bad though, but it was a. Actually, no, it wasn't that dirty, but I did clean it up anyway. Okay, there. Yeah, it really wasn't that filthy, but I did take it apart and clean it up. So anyways, that's it for this 1980 Galaxy made by Lasko, model 3713. See you all later. On to the next one.